junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my beautiful friends. It's finally time for the soul eggs. So these are pickled eggs in a glass, whatever's. Yeah, so ingredients are eggs, water, then some vinegar, paprika, salt, and mustard corns. Anyway, so I will eat one of these eggs and will also make a little sandwich. Got some sandwich stuff here. Aha. And we also got a vote-in. So the vote-in for the next video is option number 1, this chocolate money, 1,000 euros. Or second option, here we go, the cheese style sauce by Hellmann's. Okie dokie, my friends, but now it's time for the eggs. It's also Easter. I got Easter products. Here, look at this. It's a giant Kinder egg, for instance. And other things. Like Professor Bun Bun with flowers. Okay, but back on track. It's all about the taste test. How does it taste like? Okay. I don't know why. Okay, it's liquid. Oh god. Okay, yeah, I get one of these. And oh, it smells very eggish. It feels hard and funny, feels like gummy. Here we go, I always cut stuff. Okay. This is very much like an egg should look like. Let's eat it. Okay. Oh no. They're blocking each other. I have to say, the first impression was not so nice. But if you get used to it, that it's hard instead of like soft. Yeah. This water is awesome. It's like vinegar water. Oh my god. Actually, it's better than I expected. Okay. This is good stuff. Yeah, I give in. Yeah, it's a third one as well. This is one kind of hard. Inside there's no liquid whatsoever. Oh, it's nice. So now it's sandwich time. I messed up the plate. Anyways. Okay. For the sandwich, I am doing slices. Now they have me. I'm like a super lazy when it comes to like food. I don't like to cook. And now I know that these eggs are not so bad. I will eat them all the time, I guess. Okay. Here we go, sandwich time. I'm putting the slice of bread now to the table. Just improvising a little bit. And I've got here this hot dog sauce by Hellmann's. This is my foundation. Here we go. I can make a really nice sandwich here. Yeah. No, it's just like sweet sauce. Of course, it tastes like onions. Now I put the eggs onto it. There we go. And now, baby, some salami. This is a beef salami. Oh, maybe like this. Here we go. Okay, this looks very interesting. And now a slice of cheese. I've got this cheese collection, and the cool cheese is on the back always. Oh, okay. Here's the cool cheese. Putting this here as well. Now we need more sauce. More, yeah, hot dog sauce. Alrighty. Aha, and I got roasted onions here. I really prepared for this one. Okay. Now I cut it into half. Now I flip it. And look at this. I got this super ridiculous sandwich. Would you like to eat this? If you could, let me know. Okay. Reminds me like on crispy bacon burgers. Oh. This is a really nice sandwich. Oh, what's happened? Okay, my friend. Yeah. I know I'm now switching language. I hope you have something nice to eat right now. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Gut, das sind jetzt die Soleier von Hohmann. Nee, von Feinkost. Hier ist alles Mann. Dittmann, Hellmann, Hohmann. Ach, geht. Es wird noch schlimmer. Wildmann. 4-mal Mann. Gut, wir haben noch mal Harry. Einmal noch Harry. Und das hier ist halt Edeka. Das hat kein. Da steht kein Familienname drauf. Ja, ja, ich habe es eigentlich als Spaß gekauft. So in etwa tun wir mal was Ekliges kosten. Aber ist halt geil, ne? Leider geil. Also das Zeug ist ein bisschen fester. Fühlt sich so an wie, habe ich so ein Gummi. Und das Eiweiß ist ziemlich hart. Und ja, super. Und zum Snacken. Ist fast trocken innen drin. Also das ist nicht gut für mich, weil ich koche nicht gerne. Und jetzt, wo ich weiß, dass es Eier gibt, gekochte Eier, die ich einfach wegsnacken kann, werde ich das natürlich ständig kaufen. So, das ist jetzt hier Essigwasser. Das sind Paprika. Mal sehen, wie das schmeckt. Auch die sind glibberig. Aber die Eier, da kann man nichts sagen. Die sind cool. Ja. Gut. Dann habe ich mir noch ein Sandwich gebastelt aus verschiedenen Komponenten. Würdet ihr das jetzt essen, wenn ihr könntet? Lasst mich das wissen. Und ja, hier dominiert vor allem diese Hotdog-Soße. Sweet Onion nachher. Okay, danke fürs Zusehen. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Genau, beim nächsten Mal könnt ihr abstimmen. Oh, upsie. Cheese Style Sauce. Oder hier 1000 Euro. €1000 Vollmilchschokolade. Okay, danke fürs Zusehen und bis bald.